Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you the rainbow ghost effect tutorial on CapCut. So first get your clips ready and then go to effects and then find party and then here choose the color negative effect. Okay, this one, click on the effects and then adjust the speed and color into your liking. Okay, I'm going to go with 42. Click on the check icon and then place the effect where you want the ghost effect to start. Okay, I'm going to go with this. And then after that, export the video. Go back and delete the effect. And next, click on overlay and choose the video that you just exported. Click on add and then after that adjust the size until it fits the format. Okay, and then here adjust the length, so I'm going to start here. And then after that click on splice and then choose normal and set it into 60. Click on the check icon and then add a keyframe at the beginning and then move forward a bit and add another keyframe. So here click on this and add another keyframe and split the video a little after. So here I'm going to split and add the second keyframe in here. Go to splice and adjust normal to 70. Click on the check icon and then zoom out on the last keyframe like this, and then in between the keyframes go to grabs and choose the ease out one. Click on the check icon and then go to animation and choose out and select the fade out here and then adjust it like this. Click on the check icon and here is the rainbow ghost effects for your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.